Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sunbeams effect in Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. The sunbeam effect is the visible streaks of sunlight that appear to radiate from the sun's position. So, let's dive into the steps on how to create a sunbeam effect in Premiere Pro. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see on the timeline, I have got a stock footage. From the project panel, we have to create an adjustment layer. And now, accept the default settings and click on OK. After that, we have to drag and drop the adjustment layer to the timeline in Video Layer 2. Next, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect. This is a lighting effect. Let's expand the Video Effects category. Within Video Effects, navigate to the Adjust folder. This is the lighting effects. Next, drag and drop the lighting effect onto the adjustment layer in the timeline. In the next step, go to the Effect Controls panel to customize the lighting effect. First of all, from the opacity properties, we have to change the blend mode. I'm going to select Lighten. After that, we have to make the opacity parameter value around 80%. And then, let's customize the light effects. By default, Lighting Effects creates a single spotlight. You can add up to 5 lights for complex lighting setups. Let's expand the Light 1 properties. I am going to create a sunbeam effect for this corner position. Next, from the Light Type parameter, we have to select Omni. This Omni parameter controls the light from all directions. No worries, we will change the sunbeam direction a few moments later. In the next step, we have to change the light color. That's why I'm going to select Sun Color. This looks like Crayola's yellow color. Next, let's click on OK. Alright, from the center parameter, we have to set the position or direction of the light. That's why, let's make the X center parameter value around 1280. And then, we have to make the Y center parameter value around 360. Now you can see on the program monitor, the light of the sunbeam is in this corner position. And then, let's make the major radius value around 75. Alright, the lighting position setting is complete. Let's hide all the parameters of the Light 1 panel. And then, we have to make the ambiance intensity parameter value around -10. After that, let's make the surface gloss properties value around 10. And then, we have to make the surface material parameter value around 100. And lastly, we have to make the bump height properties value around 0. Alright, the fake light creation is complete for the sunbeams. In the next step, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply another effect. This is a directional blur effect. Let's drag and drop the directional blur effect to the adjustment layer. In the next step, go to the Effect Controls panel to customize the directional blur effect. First of all, we have to make the direction parameter value around 30 degrees. After that, let's make the blur length parameter value around 300. Alright, as you can see on the program monitor, the sunbeams effect creation is complete. Let's see how it looks now. As you can see on the program monitor, the sunbeam effect is cool and perfect. In this way, you can create a sunbeam effect in Premiere Pro. Experiment with different lighting properties, radius, intensity, and directions to create unique looks for your sunbeams. By using these techniques, you can create realistic and visually appealing sunbeam effects to enhance your videos in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.